BMS Robotics is an innovative company that provides leading technology solutions in intelligent systems such as robotics and industrial automation, with mastered expertise in Industry 4.0 and Internet of Things (IoT). We deploy high-precision and accurate innovative systems to solve problems in hazardous work environment. With our unique innovation, we can develop and deploy software to control your automated and robotic systems, and give you the control over different platforms, for example, mobile, desktop, web, etc., using IoT technologies. Our main goal is to increase people's safety at their work by working with smart systems. We have our own robot systems that are targeting specific applications. For example, our smart welding robot systems focus on improving the way welders are working by increasing safety during welding operation and avoiding them to be injured. Additionally, we reduce the production time and provide high-quality results. Welders can now use smart robots and stay safe. We have different types of robot systems that are specialized on artificial vision, handling, palletizing, pick and place, polishing and much more industrial operations. Our customer support services are available to you. We have a team of professionals to take calls and read your messages. Despite the rapid growth of technology on a daily basis, we create and design systems and software that bring your ideas to light. Visit us today at bmsrobotics.com or email us at contact@bmsrobotics.com to learn more.